Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best T7000 Glue is probably one of the most essential tools for any cell phone repair enthusiast or DIYer. This versatile adhesive is designed to securely bond various components, from screens to batteries, ensuring a durable and long-lasting repair. Its precise application and strong hold make it a go-to choice for both professionals and hobbyists looking to restore their devices to perfect working order. Let's dive in and see what makes this glue so special. Number 5. B7000 Rhinestone Glue Kit. Introducing the B7000 Glue Kit, a comprehensive set for all your crafting needs. It includes 2 bottles of clear, flexible adhesive, along with essential tools for precision application. The kit features an anti-clogging cap and precision tips for controlled glue dispensing. This allows for fine, accurate application, perfect for detailed work. This professional-grade jewelry glue offers a high-strength bond. It dries quickly and remains clear over time, ensuring a lasting and waterproof hold. This multi-purpose glue works on various surfaces, making it ideal for crafts, jewelry, and repairs. You can use it on phones, fabrics, and more. The kit includes dotting pens, a wax pencil, and tweezers for easy rhinestone placement. These tools help you control the glue and create beautiful designs. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including tools for precise application. It's designed for detailed work. If you're a DIY enthusiast who loves intricate crafts or repairs, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and versatile adhesive solution. What people say. The fine tip allows for exact placement without messy drips or excess glue, making it perfect for delicate rhinestone work and intricate jewelry repairs. Once cured, the bond is incredibly strong yet maintains flexibility, so my pieces can withstand normal wear without cracking or breaking at the glue joints. The clear finish is completely invisible once dried, maintaining the professional appearance of finished pieces without any cloudy residue or discoloration. Number 4. FITTDYHE B7000 Clear Adhesive Glue. This B7000 glue is transparent and waterproof, effectively isolating gas, liquid, and air. It leaves no stains, making it ideal for restoring items like phones and jewelry. No one will notice the repair. The needle design cap prevents clogging, and the ultrafine tip allows for precise glue application. This feature makes it perfect for detailed work and controlled dispensing. This multi-purpose glue works on various surfaces, including cell phones, rhinestones, fabrics, and more. It's great for crafts, repairs, and various DIY projects. The glue has high elasticity, stretching up to 900% without breaking. This feature improves the durability of bonded materials, making it a reliable choice. B7000 Jewelry Glue offers high-strength viscosity, drying in 5 to 10 minutes and fully curing in 24 hours. It's a new type of transparent glue that bonds more firmly. What we like. This glue offers a transparent, waterproof bond that won't leave any unsightly marks. The elasticity of this glue is impressive, making it ideal for projects that require flexibility. If you're working on items that need to withstand movement or stress, consider this option. What people say. The fine tip allows for exact placement without messy drips or excess glue, making it perfect for delicate rhinestone work and intricate jewelry repairs. Once cured, the bond is incredibly strong yet maintains flexibility, so my pieces can withstand normal wear without cracking or breaking at the glue joints. The clear finish is completely invisible once dried, maintaining the professional appearance of finished pieces without any cloudy residue or discoloration. Number 3. B7000 Glue Kit for Crafts. This kit includes everything you need for your crafting projects. It comes with a 110 ml clear rhinestone glue, a glue spreader, and a dotting pen tool. This is perfect for a variety of projects. The kit includes a glue spreader and dotting tools. The spreader ensures even application and prevents mess. The dotting tools are great for precise application, ideal for crafts and nail art. The glue features a needle-designed cap to prevent clogging. The ultrafine tip allows for precise and controlled glue drops. This is perfect for detailed work. This glue has high-strength viscosity and sticks more firmly than other glues. The high solid content ensures it won't yellow over time, and it's strong and waterproof. It dries quickly. This multipurpose glue works on most surfaces. It's ideal for cell phones, rhinestones, jewelry, nails, and more. It's a versatile adhesive for all your crafting needs. What we like. This kit includes glue spreaders for even application, making your projects cleaner and easier. It's perfect for crafts and repairs. If you value ease of use and a mess-free experience, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The precision tip makes it easy to apply just the right amount, even on small pieces, and it dries clear so it doesn't distract from the finished project. The glue has great adhesion and I love how it's safe for your hands. It takes a while for it to totally dry, but this for me was better. Number 2. FITTDYHE B7000 Glue Kit for Crafts. Introducing the FITTDYHE B7000 Glue Kit. This kit is perfect for all your crafting needs. It's a versatile adhesive for various projects. The kit includes a 110 ml clear rhinestone glue, spreaders, and dotting tools. This flexible glue is designed for rhinestones, fabrics, and more. It's everything you need for your projects. The anti-clogging cap and precision tips allow for controlled application. The ultrafine tip ensures small, precise glue drops. This feature makes the product easy to use. The B7000 glue has high-strength viscosity and is a new type of transparent jewelry glue. It dries quickly and is waterproof. It ensures your projects are durable. The kit includes dotting tools for precise glue application. A pencil helps pick up small items. These tools make crafting easier. This glue works on most surfaces, ideal for cell phones, jewelry, and crafts. It's suitable for various materials. This makes it a great choice for all your projects. What we like. This kit includes dotting tools for precise glue application. It's perfect for crafts and repairs. If you value precision and control in your projects, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The precision tip makes it easy to apply just the right amount, even on small pieces, and it dries clear so it doesn't distract from the finished project. The glue has great adhesion and I love how it's safe for your hands. It takes a while for it to totally dry, but this for me was better. Number 1. T7000 Black Glue for Phone Repair. This T7000 glue is a versatile adhesive, perfect for various materials. It works on metal, glass, ceramics, and more. It's a one-component glue that makes it easy to use. The nozzle design allows for precise application. The thin pin prevents the glue from hardening. This allows for controlled and non-invasive applications. This black glue is great for phone repairs. It's perfect for securing screens and back covers. It's similar to B7000 but in black. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Apply the glue evenly, wait a few minutes for it to dry, and allow 48 hours for maximum strength. Your satisfaction is our priority. Contact us with any issues, and we'll resolve them within 24 hours. Remember, it bonds quickly, so avoid eye and skin contact. What we like. This glue is black, making it perfect for phone repairs where aesthetics matter. The precision tip allows for careful application. If you're a phone repair enthusiast or need a discreet adhesive for dark-colored materials, you should consider this. What people say. The tip on this is great. It has a needle in the cap that sets in a squirter hole when you close it up. It doesn't get clogged and you don't have to scrape off dried glue every time you use it. Genius. Has a safety pin attached to the inside center of cap that feeds straight down into the nozzle where the adhesive comes out so that when you're done using it, the nozzle distribution pathway doesn't get clogged up with glue that will harden. Basically, you should never have this tube of glue itself shut in the hole where it comes out. Brilliant design. It comes in black, which was the color of the frame, and it also has a small thin applicator so you can get in any tight space with the glue. Although it says 48 hours to cure, the frame was fixed immediately. All contact and my phone is like new again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.